Right now, I'm preparing for an interview sa isang IT firm in the Philippines. Tapos, sikat tong company to before pa. May sumikat siyang leader, etc. Gano'n. So, I'm excited siguro to see ano yung pwedeng i-offer. So, I'm applying for the accounts manager position. Basically, hindi naman yung work ko ngayon account management. And for this time naman, this is in a medyo IT ang setup. I had several experiences na working for an IT company. Talking to developers, talking to designers, talking to clients. So I think this will be, madali na lang sa akin for me. Mga naging job ko before sa Trabahanap, sa Home Credit. It will be, pati sa Terracom sa Singapore. Kasi IT din yung style ng work ko nun Pero as long as hindi nila ako i-ask maging programmer, I'm fine. Kasi I cannot really program. I understand some of it. Important naman, alam ko yung process. Alam ko paano i-translate yun into a more laymanized term siguro. Hopefully, everything will turn out well. So, it's 9:47. Mag-start yung meeting ng 10 o'clock in the morning mamaya. So, ang nakainis lang, yung cat ko medyo makulit. Makulit si Storm. Gusto lagi nasa lap ko. O laging bukas yung pinto. Pero hindi ko pwedeng buksan yung pinto. Kasi yung asawa ko nasa meeting sa kabila. Yung pusa ko medyo makulit. Mag-i-interview ako tapos talon ng talon. Dahil dyan, taputin natin siya. Takot siya dito
A few moments later.
Okay, that's it. Meeting is complete. Done. Interview is okay. I expected it to be medyo technical. Napaos ako. And I'm prepared naman for those kind of activities, kind of deliverables. I know what to do na. Learning from the past employments that I had, I think it's doable. Hopefully, I get lucky to be considered for the role. Pero, abang natin, pagdadasal natin yan. That's it. Sige, easy. Let's think of something to do. Diba? For the rest of the day. Late lunch ngayon, dito sa Rodix. Dapat karendira lang kakain today Kaso, naiwan ko yung wallet ko. Bibila ko lang yung coin purse. 50 pesos lang naman. So, naganap na ako na restaurant or ng pwedeng kainan na pwedeng Gcash. So, ito yung pinaka-closest to lutong bahay na malapit sa bahay. I'm eating Caldereta. Gulay syempre, pakbet. With sabaw and then calamansi juice. So, after this, I'll go to St. Jude muna. Tapos, wala akong magagawa doon kasi wala akong dalang pera. Puro Gcash lang. Puro e-wallet lang. But we'll see kung ano mangyayari. May food. So yung pakbet, sinabaw ko lang sa kanin. May sabaw din. Beef soup. And then, caldereta. Ito yung mga basic food pag Rodix So, check natin paano makatipid sa trip na to. Andito ako ngayon sa may Rodix, may Pioneer. Sa Rodix sa may Pioneer, pero mukhang kailanganin kong gawa ng paraan. Pag MRT ako, lalakarin ko from Pioneer Center, papunta ng MRT. So, mag-MRT ako and then mag-MRT tapos LRT and then mag-jeep naman going to St. Jude. Dahil wala akong wallet. So, I'm walking from Pioneer Center going to Shaw Station, MRT. Mag-MRT na lang ako from Shaw Station to Cubao and then transfer from Cubao Station to Puresa Station naman ng LRT. Ayun, exercise na rin pagtas kumain para mabawasan yung mga fats na kinain natin. There's a coffee shop. Try ko nga mag-coffee dito soon. I used to work here. Nag-work ako dyan dati for a few months lang. It was fun. Shoutout sa mga dati kong office mates sa Greenfield. Bisaya, ang ganitong lugar na to sa Greenfield. Hindi ko alam name nito eh. Basta sa Greenfield, sa may putang MRT, meron parang mall. Wala, parang ghost town. Daanan lang ng mga tao. May fencing. May fencing and all. Pero wala, blankong-blanko. Malamig yung aircon, sayang naman. Buti nga operational pa eh. Sayang naman no. Parang walang laman halos. So dito yung shortcut of ng MRT. Halos wala nang laman. Malamig ba naman yung aircon? I think central yung tawag dito. Okay, Thursday Novena finished. Kain pa ako. Wala akong cash eh.